Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Привіт.
Bye.
Бувай.
Yes.
Так.
No.
Хі.
Thank you.
Дякую.
You're welcome.
Будь ласка.
Sorry.
Вибач.
How are you?
Як ти?
Good.
Добре.
Bad.
Погано.
It's okay.
Окей.
Maybe.
Можливо.
Of course.
Звісно.
I.
Я.
You.
Ти.
You.
Ви.
He.
Він.
She.
Вона.
We.
Ми.
They.
Вони.
What?
Що?
When?
Коли?
Where?
Де?
Why?
Чому?
How?
Як?
Yesterday.
Вчора.
Today.
Сьогодні.
Tomorrow.
Завтра.
Now.
Зараз.
Home.
Дім.
Work.
Робота.
Friend.
Друг.
Family.
Родина.
Here.
Тут.
There.
Там.
This.
Це.
That.
Той.
Day.
День.
People.
Люди.
And.
І.
But.
Але.
Because.
Бо.
To do.
Робити.
To go.
Іти.
To be.
Бути.
To have.
Мати.
To want.
Хотіти.
To see.
Бачити.
To come.
Прийти.
To say.
Сказати.
Quiz time.
Ти. Ти. Звісно. Звісно.
The answer is
Дякую. Дякую. Бувай. Бувай.
The correct answer is
Коли. Коли. Прийти. Прийти. Там. Там.
The answer is
Зараз. Зараз. Дім. Дім.
The correct answer is
Іти. Іти. Друг. Друг.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.